All right, so really quickly, I'm gonna show you guys how I turn this area into this. So first, I got this kitchen sign right here. It just says kitchen. I got this sign from Amazon. If I'm not mistaken, I think it was less than $10. Probably like $7-8, something like that. I'll link it down below so you guys can see where I got it from. I was thinking about painting it all black, to do everything black, but now I'm thinking about it and I'm like, it kind of has a pop of color, so I'll probably keep it. This right here is a clock that looks like a mixer. This is actually from Family Dollar because, you know, we balling on the budget. This is from Family Dollar and it was marked as $10, but when I paid for it, it came up to $6. So, as you see, it's black, it has some silver, and then it also has like a little burgundy trim on the outside and then a little gold on the inside. So that's why I was just like, you know what, it'll pop a color. This goes perfect with it. And then we're gonna hang that up. Also, I did these little DIY picture frames. I got these picture frames from Dollar Tree. Oops, trying not to get the light, sorry. So I got these picture frames from Dollar Tree. They look like this. Just 8x10 picture frames. And then I printed out something on just regular paper, or you can do cardstock paper. I didn't have any cardstock paper, so I just did regular things, and I just Googled kitchen like signs. This one says whip it real good. So I got that one. This one says, but first, coffee. And then this one says, today's menu, eat it or starve. So I'm gonna go ahead and hang that up. And I'll be right back. Alright, so this is what I got so far. Let me move you guys a little. That's what I got so far. I think it looks a little lopsided on camera, but it does it really in person, I guess. I think this one may be a little lopsided. I'm gonna fix that. But I'm also gonna put, as you guys saw, the little things on the side. But the nails I do have aren't good. So I'm gonna go to the dollar store really quick and also pick up some fruits, because I think what I want to put in there is like oranges and maybe some apples or bananas and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick all that up, and then I will